In the previous video, we successfully installed CACTI and got it up and running. Now it's time to take performance to the next level. In this video, we are going to install and configure CACTI Spine Poller, the high-performance poller designed for large networks and faster data collection. If you haven't installed CACTI yet, make sure to check the link in the cards above and complete the base installation first. Just like before, I'll walk you through everything step by step and also help you avoid common issue and configuration mistakes. So grab your coffee, open up your terminal, and let's optimize CACTI with Spine. This is our official CACTI documentation for installing Spine Poller. Let's open our terminal and start configuring the Spine Poller in our previously installed CACTI setup. First, we'll install the required dependencies. This step may take some time depending on your system and internet speed. For step 2, download Spine. Go to OPT folder and download Spine there. Use this command to download the Spine file. Once the file is downloaded, we'll move on to the next step. Use this command to extract the package here. I move to the CACTI Spine directory. Now start configure the spine. Run this command. But this command is not working here. It shows no such file or directory. The reason is we cannot run the configure command first. Before that, we must run bootstrap. This is an important step that the official documentation misses. So go ahead and run the bootstrap command first. Then we can continue with the rest of the step. As you can see, the bootstrap command runs successfully and shows up the next command to execute. Let's copy this command into Notepad and then we'll run them one by one, step by step. After the bootstrap, next run this command. It will configure the file. The next command is make. Next, change file permission and ownership. Once the command is run, now let's check the spine is installed or not. This command will tell what version the spine is running. Here is spine installed. Next, let's edit the spine configuration file. Open the file and update the database setting. Make sure you use the same database configuration that we used earlier while set up CACTI in the previous video. Once the file is configured, save and exit. Now we are at the main setup, the GUI configuration. After completing the CAL configuration, open your CACTI dashboard and update this setting by following my configuration steps. This is a spine path. Use this path from the spine configuration folder. This is a path we have installed. Now save. Go to Poller and change to spine. That's it. Once done, we are ready to run the spine with CACTI. We have already set up cron job before, so no need to set up again. That's it. Let's check the graph. The graph will show gradually with time. Open any graph and check the latest data. Well, the graph is working. And that's it. We have successfully installed and configured CACTI and Spine Poller on our Ubuntu server. And now you can start monitoring your network devices with ease. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.